Again, sorry that I'm driving, but I'm definitely keeping my eyes on the road. And I started the camera when I was stopped. Just want you guys to know that. Ooh, someone just got in a car accident. Scary, let's not do that. But I did want to let you guys know what's going on. We are going to Marshall's. I know I always want to say Michael's. Marshall's. I follow all of these Halloween accounts, and there's been so much cute stuff. Gosh, every time I accelerate, this thing flies off the dash. Stay. I figured I'd film an intro right now because I am gonna go get Amanda, my best friend. And you know what? Sometimes I feel bad making my friends be on camera. So just in case she doesn't want to be on camera, I just wanted to give you a quick intro of what we're doing, where we're going. There were some towels I saw that have cats in Halloween costumes. Guys, Halloween cats, my favorite. Halloween cats are my favorite. This road is bumpy. Halloween cats in costumes? I need it, so I have to go check it out. So we're headed to Marshall's, so I will see you there. Love, so it's been a couple weeks since we did our last fall hunting. I am just gonna lump this all into one video, but I am at Ross. I have seen some amazing pictures. I went to Ross the last time I went Halloween hunting and they had like nothing, so I didn't even film in there. There was like 2 things and it wasn't even good. But everything I've seen online looks really good. I'm hoping I find some cute stuff in here today. Of course, I will bring you with me and show you if I do. I just went and I was so excited to get another pumpkin spice Americano with caramel sauce, and there's like, they forgot the pumpkin spice. You can tell it's not even orange. I mean, it's fine. It's a caramel Americano. I will drink it. I will love it. But I really want a pumpkin spice. I hope this is not a foreseement into our, is that a word, for cement? into our future of this Halloween shopping, because if I missed out on my pumpkin spice. I posted on Instagram a picture of a, what was a boomerang? Of a vampire mug that I was absolutely obsessed with, and they have all different ones on Amazon, but I paid 20 bucks for that. So I posted it. I'm in love with it. It's the cutest thing ever and was definitely worth 20 bucks, but apparently Ross has some that look just like them. We're gonna go see what we can find. So anyway, let's get to shopping. So they did not have the mugs that I wanted. They didn't really have a ton of Halloween stuff. Like they had 2 little fixtures, but nothing that I absolutely had to have. They did have that cute mug, Magic Potion, which I really liked, and I almost got that for $3.99, but decided to wait. They had a couple of them, and I've seen that one all over Instagram, so I think that a lot of Rosses have them, so I decided to wait, because if I want it, I can always try and hunt it down later. I'm really just looking for these other mugs. I'm really trying to decide if I want to drive across town to the other, there's 2 other Rosses. We have 3 Rosses in town. That's a lot of Ross, man. It's a lot of Ross. Anyway, guys, I think I'm gonna end this here. I went in there, I do want to say one positive thing. I went in there and I looked at their clothes. I ended up filming a try on, that's why my weave is like, my hair's a mess. And I toned my natural hair, so it's not matching my weave. I'm a mess today. You know those days where like you just like need to push yourself to get out of the house? And I thought I'd put my weave in so I'd feel cuter, but now I just feel like a hot mess. That's how life goes though. But I did find a bunch of cute stuff, so I did end up filming a in the dressing room at Ross. So that one is either coming or is already up. I'll link it down below if it's already up. If not, make sure you subscribe so you can see it. Hit that notification bell. Goodness. Well, flash forward to the future, guys. I did decide to drive to another Ross. I drove to the one out in the valley, so like 15 minutes away, and I found all of the mugs. All of the mugs that I wanted. Oh my goodness, I'm such a nerd. I'm such a nerd, but I love vintage Halloween stuff, so I'm gonna show you. But oh my goodness, he's so cute! I found 2. The one I wanted the most is the cat, which I'll show you in a second. I wanted the cat and the pumpkin, and then there's also an owl, and I wanted those 2 the most, and I found those first. They had 2 cats, 1 pumpkin. This is the one everyone's been going crazy over that I have heard. Oh my goodness, $3.99! My vampire one I ordered on Amazon was 20 bucks. So, super cute. Here's the cat. He's so creepy, but so cute. Oh my goodness. And then when I was at the checkout, buy those 2, and I found some towels I'll show you. But then I found a little owl guy sitting there just randomly on a little shelf. So it was meant to be. I'm glad that I drove out here. Literally got all 3 of these and the towels for less than the one that I bought online. But they don't have the exact same ones. They're not the same brand. They just look a lot alike. But then I found these little cat with glasses drinking coffee, and I had to get them. These guys were $4.99. Not bad. I love Ross. Ross is cheaper than TJ Maxx and Home Goods. It is kind of hit or miss, but when you find really good stuff at Ross, like you found good stuff. So super cute. Anyway, I just wanted to insert this because I wanted you guys to see the cute mugs, because I was so excited to share them because I'm a nerd. But I've been drinking a lot more coffee at home with my Nespresso, so I have been really in love with mugs. I kind of want to get a mug rack to put them all on, because I'm literally obsessed, and I will use these cuties all year round because I'm creepy. But okay, let's get back to the actual ending of this video. I'm so excited. I'm such a nerd. This is what Halloween Opal does to me though. It makes me so happy. Anyway, I think that's it. I think we're gonna wrap up this fall shopping video here because I went to quite a few places. I will definitely do more soon because it seems like a lot of places around here still don't have all of their Halloween stuff out. Like our Target doesn't have all of its Halloween stuff out at all. So I definitely will do another one maybe later in September. And I definitely want to do that spooky lookbook for you guys. I mentioned that in one of my, I think my Rose Gal haul, and you guys were so excited. And there are so many things in my cart on Hot Topic. There are cute things on Boohoo. If you guys have an idea of like where your favorite like plus size spooky fashion is from, let me know. And I'm just thinking like things with moons, things with like suns and stars. Not like this. I wouldn't really consider this spooky, but I could put this with other stuff to make it a little more spooky. But there's like a dress with moons all over it with a little collar. There's a coffin shirt. There's so many cute things. I love that kind of stuff. You can take the girl out of Hot Topic, but you can't take Hot Topic out of the girl. Anyone that doesn't know, I worked there for many years. Anyway, I'm gonna stop rambling. I know I say that in every video. I drive myself nuts. Don't worry. If I drive you nuts, it's okay because I drive myself nuts too. But I'm gonna stop rambling for real. And we're gonna end this fall haul here. I will see you soon for another one. Let me know where you want to see me go. I need to go back to Marshall's because I'm hoping they have a bunch more stuff. Home Goods, TJ Maxx, definitely another Ross. Let a girl know. All right, I love you guys so much. Happy fall. Today, now we're filming in September. We are September 6th. Happy Posty album release day. Yes, queen. Okay, I'm gonna go. I love you guys. I will talk to you soon. Bye. I'm so excited. I'm like spitting. I feel like I can't get, why am I so tall? Why? Anyway, I think I'm gonna just get, I love that kind of